BITGET is thriving thanks to its most recent offering, Hold, which is among the most distinctive tokens to be launched this month. In my opinion, this is a valuable token to hold for the upcoming cryptocurrency rally or bull run. Are you ready for more detailed information? Now let's get started. Holdstation is the first non-custodial derivatives trading platform that brings the brokerage model from Web 2 to Web 3. Their products use smart contract wallet technology and are implemented on Layer 2 rollup blockchains such as zk Sync Era to optimize the trading experiences and enhance privacy for traders, bring them as close to Web 2 trading experiences as possible. At the current moment and in the short terms, Holdstation delivers 5 main benefits for users. First, they provide a non-custodial smart wallet. Their smart wallet is currently available on both iOS and Android, and integrates the most innovative technologies such as account abstraction and zk rollups, which offer privacy and modern digital wallet-like customer experience. During the promotion, users with a hold spot net buy amount of greater than or equal to 100 USDT will be ranked based on their individual hold spot net buy amount and share 13,000 hold. Also, for the tier detail you can check here on the website. The deposit and withdrawal of the token is currently already available on BITGET. The token itself is already available on BITGET Spot, so how do you trade it? Register or sign into BITGET by accessing their website. After that, you can click Spot Trade as all the token is listed in this section. Spot Trade is like the core of crypto trading. Before you are getting further, you can deposit some USDT to trade those token if you haven't. You can trade hold/USDT. Voila. That is all the steps to trade your hold on BITGET exchange. But make sure you research and make further analysis with technical analysis. That concludes our video. Remember to stay updated with the latest news and developments in the crypto market as these tokens continue to evolve. Happy trading on BITGET and may your investments be fruitful.